Lemongrass is a perennial grass native to tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, Africa, and Australia. It's known for its distinct lemony aroma and flavor, which is why it's often used in culinary, medicinal, and aromatic applications. Lemongrass has a strong, citrus-like aroma and a zesty, lemony flavor. This makes it a popular ingredient in various cuisines, particularly in Southeast Asian dishes. Lemongrass is believed to have several health benefits, including being a natural remedy for digestive issues, high blood pressure, anxiety, and more. It's also used as an ingredient in herbal teas and essential oils. Before we continue, all the information presented in this video has been verified, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Be sure to watch until the end because there's one that I think will surprise you. Lemongrass is a plant. The leaves and the oil are used to make medicine. The best way to enjoy lemongrass is in tea, either commercially prepared or made from fresh lemongrass stalks. You can find fresh lemongrass stalks in Asian grocery stores. Several researchers are interested in the health and medicinal benefits of drinking lemongrass tea. In this video, we take a look at some of the health benefits this tea may offer and consider the evidence supporting the claims. Here are the top 10 health benefits of lemongrass. Number 1. Digestive health. Lemongrass is beneficial for digestive health due to several properties it possesses, including its ability to aid in digestion, relieve gastrointestinal issues, and support a healthy digestive system. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help maintain a healthy gut by reducing inflammation and inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria in the digestive system. Lemongrass has carminative properties, which can help alleviate indigestion, bloating, and flatulence by soothing the digestive tract and reducing gas. The diuretic properties of lemongrass may assist in flushing out toxins from the body, promoting a healthy colon and preventing constipation. Consuming lemongrass tea or incorporating lemongrass into your diet can help relieve nausea and vomiting, providing comfort to individuals experiencing digestive discomfort. Incorporating lemongrass into your diet or consuming it as a tea can be a natural way to promote digestive health and enjoy these benefits. Number 2. Pain relief. Lemongrass contains essential oils such as citral, mycene, and citronellol, which possess analgesic properties. These compounds may help alleviate various types of pain, including headaches, migraines, muscle cramps, and joint pain. Lemongrass acts as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to ease tension and stiffness in muscles and providing relief from muscle spasms and cramps. The soothing and calming effects of lemongrass may help in relieving headaches and migraines. Inhaling its aroma or using lemongrass oil in aromatherapy may help reduce headache intensity. The anti-inflammatory properties of lemongrass may benefit individuals with arthritis by reducing inflammation and discomfort in the joints, potentially providing relief from arthritis-related pain. Lemongrass, when used in aromatherapy, massage oils, or consumed as a tea, may contribute to general pain management, providing a natural alternative or complement to traditional pain relief methods. Number 3. Stress and anxiety reduction. Lemongrass is known for its potential to help reduce stress and anxiety, primarily through its calming and soothing effects on the mind and body. The aroma of lemongrass is known to have a calming effect on the mind. Inhaling its scent through aromatherapy can help reduce stress levels and induce a sense of relaxation. Lemongrass contains compounds that possess sedative properties, which can help in calming the nervous system and promoting a sense of tranquility. Consuming lemongrass tea or incorporating it into one's diet may help reduce feelings of nervousness and anxiety, providing a soothing effect on the nerves. The calming effects of lemongrass may aid in improving sleep quality. Drinking lemongrass tea or diffusing lemongrass essential oil in the air or using it in aromatherapy practices before bedtime can help relax the body and mind, contributing to a restful night's sleep. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next benefits, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, so you never missed out on new informative videos. Number 4. Immune system enhancement. Lemongrass is believed to enhance the immune system through various compounds that have potential immune-boosting properties. Lemongrass is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and vitamin C. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body, thereby supporting a strong immune system. Lemongrass may help support respiratory health by potentially relieving symptoms of respiratory infections, cough, and cold, ultimately aiding the immune system in combating respiratory illnesses. Incorporating lemongrass into your diet or consuming it as a tea may contribute to immune system enhancement. Number 5. Antimicrobial and antifungal effects. Lemongrass contains essential oils such as citral, geraniol, limonene, and citronal, which are potent antimicrobial agents. These compounds work by disrupting the cell membranes and metabolic processes of microorganisms. The compounds in lemongrass interfere with the microbial growth cycle by inhibiting cell division, disrupting cell walls, or interfering with enzymatic activities vital for the survival and proliferation of microorganisms. Lemongrass oil can be used topically to clean wounds and prevent infection thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Utilizing lemongrass in cooking, brewing it into tea, or using lemongrass essential oil in aromatherapy or topical applications can harness its antimicrobial and antifungal effects. Number 6. Lowering cholesterol levels. Lemongrass is believed to contribute to lowering cholesterol levels, primarily through its potential to influence lipid metabolism and reduce the levels of cholesterol in the blood. Some research suggests that certain components of lemongrass may inhibit the absorption of cholesterol in the digestive tract. This inhibition can lead to lower levels of cholesterol being absorbed into the bloodstream. Lemongrass is a good source of dietary fiber, which can aid in reducing cholesterol levels. Combining the consumption of lemongrass with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle can maximize its potential in managing cholesterol levels. Number 7. Detoxification and cleansing. Lemongrass is often associated with detoxification and cleansing due to its potential to assist in the removal of toxins from the body and support various organ systems involved in the detoxification process. Lemongrass has diuretic effects, promoting increased urination. This helps eliminate excess water, salts, and toxins from the body through the urinary system. Lemongrass may support the liver, a vital organ involved in detoxification. Compounds in lemongrass may stimulate liver function and assist in flushing out harmful substances and toxins. By promoting increased urination, lemongrass aids in kidney function, allowing the kidneys to effectively filter and remove waste products and toxins from the blood. When used as part of a balanced detox plan, lemongrass can aid in the detoxification of multiple organs and systems, supporting a comprehensive whole body cleanse. Number 8. Anti-cancer potential. Lemongrass is thought to possess anti-cancer potential due to certain compounds that have demonstrated properties inhibitory to the growth and spread of cancer cells. Lemongrass contains compounds like citral and limonene, which have been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects. These compounds have shown inhibitory effects on the growth of cancer cells in various types of cancers. Some studies suggest that lemongrass extracts may induce apoptosis, a process of programmed cell death in cancer cells. This process helps prevent the uncontrolled growth and spread of cancer cells. Lemongrass is sometimes explored as a complementary therapy alongside conventional cancer treatments. It's used to improve overall well-being, manage treatment side effects, and potentially enhance the effectiveness of standard cancer treatments. Number 9. Skin health improvement. Lemongrass is often associated with promoting skin health due to its various properties that can benefit the skin in multiple ways. Lemongrass possesses natural compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective in preventing and treating skin infections. The antimicrobial properties of lemongrass may help in managing acne by preventing the growth of acne-causing bacteria on the skin. Lemongrass can act as a natural skin cleanser, helping to remove dirt, excess oil, and impurities from the skin's surface, thereby supporting a clear complexion. Applying lemongrass-infused products or using lemongrass oil can help hydrate and moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Incorporating lemongrass into your skincare routine can potentially support healthy and radiant skin when used as part of a well-rounded skincare regimen. Number 10. High blood pressure management. Lemongrass is believed to offer potential benefits for managing high blood pressure due to certain compounds that may have a positive effect on blood pressure levels. Lemongrass contains compounds that may promote vasodilation, a process where the blood vessels relax and widen. This relaxation allows for smoother blood flow and can contribute to lower blood pressure. The compounds in lemongrass may help improve blood circulation, facilitating better blood flow throughout the body and supporting overall cardiovascular health. When combined with a healthy diet, regular physical activity, and a balanced lifestyle, incorporating lemongrass into your routine may provide added support for blood pressure management. Enjoying lemongrass in tea is a popular and delightful way to harness its many potential health benefits. Thanks for joining us today to explore the incredible health benefits of lemongrass. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for our next informative video. Remember, nature has a treasure trove of benefits, and we're here to uncover them together. Stay healthy, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.